Hi guys, this is Leslie again. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome if you are a subscriber, welcome again, and if you are new here, please do consider clicking that subscribe button below. I'd love to have you. I was contacted by MixEasy.com. Now, MixEasy, I had never heard of them before, but apparently what you can do is you can go to their site and you can either choose to create your own conditioner, shampoo, face cream, or face cleanser. They contacted me asking me if I'd like to try out their shampoo and conditioner and face cream. So at first I was a little bit skeptical, but eventually I took a look at their site. I thought, well, this is kind of fun. You get to choose what you want to have put into as part of the ingredients that go into whatever your conditioner or shampoo is going to be. And so I thought, okay, that sounds a little fun. Let me try it out. Let me see. Not really having high expectations or high hopes. You guys, this stuff is magic. It's amazing. I'll get into it a little bit, but here's the box. Now, of course, I've opened it. I've used it. So these are the shampoo and conditioners. I'll come in a little bit closer and give you a full, like a closer look at the bottles. But this is the shampoo and the conditioner, and this is the face cream. Now, I've used all of them. I've used the shampoo and conditioner on my hair. I used it also on my daughter's hair. And I've been using the face cream day and night every single day. Now, they came packaged in these like bubble wrap things, and they're little stickers that tell you what your mixture was that you got to choose. And then of course it came in this box with the pink, I love the pink theme, the pink tissue paper and the pink, I don't know what you call that, worms or whatever it is. And then there was like this thing in there that said unique, having no like or equal, unparalleled, incomparable, simply you. And then they gave me a code for you guys, a coupon code if you wanted to try MixEasy.com to make your own. Whoa, shopping stuff. So I'll give you that code at the end, and you can also find it in the link below. But, okay, let me come in a little closer, give you the full view of the bottles. There we go, MixEasy. There's the conditioner. Here is the shampoo. Those are lovely bottles. You can see the top. It's just one of those, you know, opening like that. And let me grab the face cream. Now, it has a pump top here. Of course, I lost the thing that goes over it. It's probably somewhere in my bathroom right now, but that's what those all look like. When I say that this stuff was magic, now of course you guys know that I wear wigs, so this is not my natural hair. I do have my natural hair underneath. My natural hair is very, very kinky, very, very curly. Actually, we won't even call it curly. It's type 4 hair, probably type 4B, C hair. So it's very kinky, very tightly coiled, very dry. My hair is naturally very, very dry. It needs lots of moisture, and it needs basically lots of care, or else it'll break off, or actually shed. Like I shed hair like nobody's business, and it'll break if I don't infuse it with a lot of moisture and a lot of tender loving care. Normally I like to gravitate towards hair care products that are suited or made specifically for the African American or Black community, because I feel like those are more suited for my hair. So honestly, I thought this was going to be just for, you know, everybody else, and it wasn't going to work with my natural hair. But I'm eating crow. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. So what you do is you go to the site. You go to the site and you click on, basically, I want to make my own mixture for the shampoo, the conditioner, the facial cream, or the facial cleanser. So I had to do this 3 times for all 3 of the different products. Now I'll tell you, you add a base. So for the shampoo and conditioner, you can either choose normal, oily, or dry. So obviously I chose the dry base because my hair needs moisture. So for the shampoo and conditioner, I chose the dry. For the face cream, it was either dry, oily, or normal slash combination. Now, I was going to go with the dry for the face cream. Even though I have kind of oilier skin, I'm 40 years old. So what I need to do, just like I need to infuse my hair with moisture, I need to infuse my skin with moisture, because, you know, it's getting up there. So no matter what, even if my skin right now is still acting a little bit on the oilier side, I wanted to possibly do something that was for dry skin, just to give my skin that extra. But I said I don't want it to be too oily or too much when I'm talking about my skin. So I actually chose the normal slash combination base for the face. So normal slash combination base for the face, and then of course dry for the hair, all the way dry. So let me go. I wrote down what it was that on top of that, because then you can choose, on top of the base, you can choose 6 additional additives. So you choose 6 ingredients that you want to add to the mixture, and they have little explanations next to each you know, thing that you can add. You can add kind of oils or extracts, all kinds of things. They will give you an explanation. If you hover over the little thing, it'll give you an explanation. You can read all the explanations and decide and choose, okay, this will be best for my hair or skin, or this won't be good, I won't use that. So you get to choose 6 of them. And I, of course, chose the 6 that added the most moisture. So I created an anti-aging face cream that was going to add the most moisture and elasticity and, you know, everything like that to my skin and to my hair. So let me tell you what it is that I put in each one of these bottles. Okay, so for the face cream, I added damask rose flower extract. And that's helps with firmness, helps skin cells to retain water, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is for the face cream. Damask rose flower extract. Then rose hip extract, which brings dewy looking skin, can be used to support the longevity of skin cells and to boost skin renewal. Then I put dragon's blood extract, which helps with cell renewal. Nature's alternative to retinol. Of course, I love retinol. I love products with retinol. So it says nature's alternative to retinol, which piqued my interest. Without the negative side effects, helps perfect skin and boost antioxidant functions. Then I added hyaluronic acid, which plumps and hydrates. Often referred to as the fountain of youth, which works to attract and retain up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, and provide a cushion or a waterbed between cells to keep skin looking smooth and plump. Then I added floral nectar. Prevents the first signs of aging. It's the first step for beautifully bare skin. A natural extract helps support the skin's ability to protect and renew and prevent the signs of aging. And then lastly, I added raspberry extract, which improves elasticity, improves the hydration and elasticity of the skin, helps to correct the signs of aging, and reduce oxidative stress. So those are the 6 things I put into the face cream. Now, I use it. You also can add a fragrance. They have like 3 different fragrances. The fragrance I chose was honey and milk for the face cream. Honey and milk. Now, the honey and milk is just amazing. I wish I had done honey and milk for all 3 of them, but I didn't. I just did it for the face cream. I love the honey and milk smell. It's like this sweet but very gentle smell, and every time I pump it into my hand, it's like, ooh, and it's just literally the right amount of hydration for my skin. It does not make my skin feel oily, but it's like the hydration and the moisture lasts literally all day. Like, my skin feels amazing when I put it on in the morning, and then when I put it on in the evening, I can tell, like, when I use a different moisturizer instead of this one, I can tell, because my skin just doesn't have that suppleness that it does when I'm using this one. And that's, I believe, because I'm able to put the ingredients that I know that my skin needs. I'm able to tailor make it just for myself. So it's like the perfect combination, the perfect amount for my skin, and it just works out perfectly. Shampoo and conditioner. When I used them both on my hair and my daughter's hair, who also has very, very kinky, coily, very tightly coiled hair, dry. Also her hair is dry. The way that I could get the comb through it and the suppleness of my hair, and oh my gosh, it was just, I just could not stop showing my husband. I was like, look how soft my hair is. And I have my hair actually cut into a teeny weeny afro, so it's really short underneath this wig. And so I was just running the comb through it, just very simple, very easy, and it just felt so soft and so amazing, again, because I put all of the ingredients that would hydrate and moisturize my hair, and so you don't get any of the added extra fillers that you normally would with other stuff. You get exactly what your hair needs. So I will tell you what I put into the shampoo. I put jojoba oil, which conditions, smooths, and replenishes dry, depleted follicles, making hair smooth and easier to comb. I put cranberry extract, minimizes breakage, helps restore damaged and dyed hair, enhances long-lasting moisture to the hair and scalp, and helps protect the hair from over-drying and brittleness when using a hairdryer. I put black currant extract, promotes hair growth, provides full nutrition of the hair from the tips to the roots, restores them, and promotes active growth. Then I put echinacea extract, and these are all unique because I don't know if these go into normal shampoos that you just buy off the shelf in, Target or whatever. I don't think that these things, these added extra extracts, are there in just your regular run-of-the-mill shampoos. I really don't. So that's different. Okay, echinacea extract. Revitalize, restore hydration, shine, and strength for weak and damaged hair. Propolis extract softens, a natural humectant. It helps hair to attain and lock in moisture, while its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities work to cleanse and calm at the same time. Raspberry extract for stronger hair, helps protect hair from premature fallout and from harmful environmental influences like wind, cold, heat, and also prolongs the effect of other bioactives, extracts, and oils in the cosmetic composition. Then on that was the shampoo. Then the conditioner, I used propolis extract, echinacea extract, jojoba oil. So those three were the same, but then the other three that were different, I used damask rose flower extract, which I did use in my face part. But that hydrates, has nourishing properties, enhances the appearance and feel of the hair by increasing hair volume, suppleness, and sheen. D-panthenol, radiance. Panthenol is a moisture binding and soothing substance and keeps more moisture in the hair. It also makes hair look healthier. Calendula extract, nourishes hair from root to tip, promoting thick, bouncy, lustrous locks that shine with health. Okay, so you guys have heard all the things that I've put into these. I think this is the most favorite shampoo and conditioner I've ever used, and I'm not just saying that because somebody gave these to me for free. Like, I honestly will reorder these when I'm done, and I will keep on using these. These will be they're not cheap. They're about $30 a bottle. So for all three, it would have been about $105 had I not been gifted these. So it is about $35 a bottle to create these and to buy. And then I think on top of that, you do have to pay shipping. So it's not the cheapest option out there. However, I believe it's worth it because this hands down is better than any shampoo or conditioner that I've ever purchased. And I'm not just saying that. I was so floored and so amazed by the softness and suppleness and moisture in my hair after I used these, because I chose properties to put in there to enhance the moisture and protect the hair and keep it from breaking, and they actually worked. It's what I thought my hair should have, and therefore I put it in there, and it actually helped my hair. Honestly, I believe you should give MixEasy a try. I am sold. I was not expecting a whole lot, but I am sold. So yeah, if you are interested in trying out MixEasy for yourself, the coupon code is called UNIQUE, UNIQUE, and that will give you $8 off of your purchase. Kudos to you, MixEasy. Thank you so much for allowing me to review your wonderful products. I will definitely be reordering, and I love them. I love them. I just love using them every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you watching my MixEasy review. Hopefully I helped you out. Hopefully you'll be able to hop on the website and give them a try. I think they're worth it. I have nothing but good things to say and rave reviews. So anyway, take care. I'll talk to you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.